In the lightweight hiking community, going stoveless has been on the rise for a while now. You don't need to carry a stove and fuel, which obviously saves weight, and some find the fiddling with fire and hot pots tedious after a long day. And though I love my stove, there are plenty of recipes, especially in the summer, that don't require one. This cold-soaked couscous with freeze-dried apples, sun-dried tomatoes and a lemon basil dressing has a freshness and acidity to it that's often lacking in trail food. All the exact measurements can be found both in metric and imperial units in the description below. Let's get to the preparing. Cold soak the couscous with freeze-dried onion for at least 90 minutes in equal parts water and couscous. So in this case, just over half a cup of water. I usually start soaking with the last break of the day before setting up camp. With this recipe it's no problem if it soaks for an hour longer, so you don't need to be very precise. Add the diced sun-dried tomatoes, freeze-dried apple and basil. With a lot of herbs, the difference between normally dried or freeze-dried isn't that big, but with things like fruit it is. Ordinary dried apple loses all texture and with that a certain crispness that's so important for this salad. The freeze-drying process preserves the original consistency of the apple much better. Finally, mince a clove of garlic and mix it all together. For the dressing, mix the olive oil with lemon juice and add oregano, salt and pepper. Pour it over the couscous while stirring and dinner is ready. For a salad, I like to use a better quality olive oil like this one that I picked up on my recent trip to Italy. And this can of course work with all ingredients. A salt like Maldon has razor-thin crystals which will melt on your tongue and deliver a completely different experience compared to our regular table salt. Now, how to pack this meal for the trail. The couscous and onion go in a large freezer Ziploc together for the cold soaking. The sun-dried tomatoes and freeze-dried apple can be diced at home and go in a smaller Ziploc together with the garlic and basil. The dressing can already be mixed at home in a container. Like all my recipes, this one also isn't set in stone. Every trip is different, so adjust it to your needs. If you can't take a clove of garlic for example, because the meal will be in a resupply box as part of a through hike, take freeze-dried. Or on the opposite side, if you're doing a short hike in and out to a nice campsite, take fresh basil and an onion. As always, thank you for watching and if you like this video, subscribe for more.